Hello, dear friends. If you're over 60 and you've noticed your arms getting thinner, your legs feeling weaker, or that you're losing strength doing things that used to be easy, you're not alone. This quiet loss of muscle has a name, sarcopenia, and affects 1 in 3 adults over 60. But here's the good news. Science has discovered a simple bedtime habit, just 1 spoon, that can help you rebuild muscle while you sleep. Yes, even if you don't lift weights or go to the gym. In today's video, I'll show you what's silently weakening your muscles without you knowing, what foods may be damaging your body as you age, and how 1 specific nighttime spoonful can fuel your body to grow stronger, starting tonight. Stay with me, because the difference this can make for your energy, balance, and independence is life-changing. Let's start with what's happening inside your body as you age. After 60, your body naturally begins to lose muscle mass at a faster rate, up to 1% per year. This may not sound like much, but over time it adds up. What's worse, this loss often sneaks up on you, until one day you realize it's harder to climb stairs, stand from a chair, or even get out of bed. And here's the scary part. Low muscle mass isn't just about feeling weak. It's linked to a higher risk of falls, fractures, slow recovery, and even early death. But the truth is, it doesn't have to be this way. Your body still has the ability to build and maintain muscle, even well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. But you need to give it the right support, and that starts with what you put on your plate and on your spoon. Let's talk about foods that may be silently sabotaging your muscle health. Here are 3 common foods that many older adults eat daily, but that may be quietly doing harm. 1. Refined carbohydrates. Things like white bread, crackers, cookies, and sugary cereals spike your blood sugar. This triggers inflammation, which breaks down muscle over time and leads to insulin resistance. A 2020 study in the journal Nutrients found that older adults with high sugar intake had significantly lower muscle strength and poorer physical performance. 2. Processed vegetable oils. Canola, soybean, and corn oil are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which throw your body's balance off. Too much omega-6 promotes inflammation, which damages joints and muscles. 3. Low-protein diets. Many seniors simply aren't eating enough protein. You might feel like a small bowl of rice and vegetables is healthy, and it is to a point, but without protein, your body can't repair itself. A lack of protein is one of the biggest reasons seniors lose strength, even if they eat enough calories. Now, let's shift to the powerful bedtime habit that can reverse this decline and even help you sleep better. But before I tell you what to take, let me quickly explain why the timing matters so much. You see, when you sleep, your body doesn't just rest. It goes into repair mode, releasing natural growth hormones, reducing inflammation, and yes, rebuilding muscle. But here's the thing. If your body doesn't have the right building blocks, like quality protein, those repair processes simply don't work as well. And research shows that having a small, protein-rich snack before bed can improve overnight muscle protein synthesis, support better sleep quality, and even protect against muscle loss as you age. So now you might be wondering, what should I take before bed and how much? Let's get to the heart of it. The answer is simple, affordable, and backed by science. Rytero 1 spoon of casein protein powder mixed in warm milk or water, 30 minutes before bed. Why casein? Casein is a slow-digesting dairy protein. Unlike whey, which digests quickly, casein breaks down slowly over 6 to 8 hours, feeding your muscles all night long. A 2012 study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that older adults who consumed 40 grams of casein before sleep had greater muscle protein synthesis overnight, even without exercise. Now, don't worry. You don't need to take 40 grams. For most older adults, Just 1 heaping tablespoon, around 15 to 20 grams, of casein protein powder is enough to support recovery and strength. Even better, you can mix it with warm milk, a dash of cinnamon, and a touch of raw honey for taste. This makes a soothing bedtime tonic that White Heavy Checkmark supports muscle rebuilding. White Heavy Checkmark improves sleep. White Heavy Checkmark helps regulate blood sugar. White Heavy Checkmark and keeps you feeling full, so you don't wake up hungry. It's like giving your body a repair kit before you go to sleep. Over time, this one simple habit can Heavy Checkmark improve your strength. Heavy Checkmark boost your energy. Heavy Checkmark make daily movements easier. Heavy Checkmark and help you stay independent and confident. Now, some of you might be thinking, but I can't have dairy. I'm lactose intolerant. Don't worry, you're not left out. There are gentle, dairy-free alternatives that offer the same muscle-building benefits. Here are 2 great options. 1. Plant-based casein alternatives. While true casein is dairy-based, pea protein and brown rice protein are complete plant proteins that digest slowly, similar to casein. Choose unsweetened low-carb options with 15-20 g of protein per serving. 2. Collagen with added leucine. Collagen alone won't rebuild muscle, but add a small amount of leucine, an amino acid that activates muscle building, and it becomes a powerful anti-aging tool. Mix either option into unsweetened almond milk, oat milk, or warm water. Still soothing, still effective, and your muscles will thank you. Now, taking your spoonful at night is powerful on its own, but when combined with a few simple daytime habits, it becomes a full-body transformation plan. Here's how to amplify the benefits. White Heavy Checkmark light resistance movement, like lifting water bottles, stretching bands, or chair exercises. White Heavy Checkmark daily sunlight. 15 to 20 minutes supports vitamin D and bone health. White Heavy Checkmark anti-inflammatory foods, like salmon, leafy greens, turmeric, and berries. White Heavy Checkmark hydration. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water, even if you don't feel thirsty. And perhaps most importantly, consistency. It's not about perfection. It's about small steps every day that add up over time. So let's recap. Aging doesn't mean losing strength, but the wrong foods and habits can speed up muscle loss. And just 1 spoon of slow-digesting protein before bed can change everything. This simple step supports overnight recovery, improves your daily energy, and helps you stay strong, mobile, and independent the way you deserve. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, science-backed health tips for living your best life after 60. Your health is your power, and it's never too late to reclaim it. Thank you for watching and take care. White Heavy Checkmark watch next. 5 exercises to regain leg strength after 60. White Heavy Checkmark download your free muscle recovery checklist in the description. Bell subscribe for weekly senior health videos.